Hello there. Today we're dealing with CXAI, traded on March 13th, 2024. This is a stock which has a different scenario. During the pre-market, it doesn't really do anything at all. So 105,000 shares, 15 million share float. Price action is just nothing. Super low, 5,000 shares, and often below that even. It's going to emerge on the day charts at about $2 and change. So let's say here, there's major resistance at 2.3, and then smaller at 2.5 in that area, 2.6. Realistically speaking, it might go up to 2.8. If it breaks through that, then it go up to 3.4, I guess. So how does this work? Well, the fact of the matter is, the stock like this would not enter my radar until it came up to about 500,000 shares. I might not even look at it at that point, but anyway, the point is, a lot of the price actions is already going to have it. The price is already going to have taken off. It's already going to have exploded by the time I discover it. So basically, I have to work with the dregs of the move, see if there's any remaining fluctuation. Anyway, so my point is, when the market opened, I would not be aware of this stock at all. So the initial jump, I would completely miss. I'd have to wait for the price action to go through the full move, and then retrace before I would get in. I would need a major pullback and some kind of consolidation before I enter into the stock. So it's 300,000 shares. It's invisible to me. I mean, even if I could see the stock, I mean, it would be useless to me because the share, the volume per minute is so low. You can see it's hard to get into the stock, hard to get out of the stock. There's not enough liquidity. 450,000. Okay. Now I see. Now it comes on my radar. Problem is, it's already jumped quite a bit. Getting into the stock now would be dangerous. $2.8 is the resistance, which I hope is going to bounce off. It's going to bounce back from. It's going to sell off at 2.8. That's my guess. After first making the major move from 2.3. So it's rejected at 2.78. It's coming back down. And my hope is that it'll go up to 3 and then maybe to 3.4. Oh, I need to adjust my share price. MACD still not positive. Still coming down. Again, it makes me cautious on these moves. It's very easy to lose money trading in this area, consolidation. Okay. Double bottom. Maybe. These are tricky, so you gotta make sure you have a catalyst in your favor. Appearing in the news section down here. Down here. On the day that the stock actually trades. God, I gotta stop slurring my speech. Anyway, bouncing off the view app, I hope, or is it gonna go plunging right through? Where are we going? It's a full and complete sell-off. So we're waiting for it to go back above the VWAP and the 9 EMA. MACD looks terrible. Is this just gonna sell off or what? Candle with wicks on top and bottom is a sign of indecision in the market. Another indecision candle. Red doji. Come on, ready to make a decision. Move. If it breaks through, I'll buy. MACD is changing, but not good. Am I gonna regret this? I should have waited for it to recheck. Yeah. It's probably pretty dumb on my part for buying so soon. Come on. Nail biting time. Our volume is up at the doji candles. So it's kind of useless. MACD is looking so. Up. On stocks like this, I'm looking for like a $300 move. I was just about to sell. God. MACD's going in the right direction, but I don't know. This could be a loser. Yeah, I shouldn't have bought in. That was crazy. If I make money, it's not worth the risk. Well, anatomy of a loser, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you score a red day. Okay, let's anatomize that. Okay, what I did was I bought in here, I guess, for I figured it was going to keep going all the way up. But the MACD is still pretty red. Volume on that green candle is not very high. It's something that you don't have enough momentum to carry the move through. So I misread. I didn't look at the candle. I misread it. I presume because the candle on the price action here is big, that the volume associated with it was big as well, but it's not. So let's see if I can make the money back. The important thing with this is not to revenge trade. So I need a clear signal. Otherwise, I accept the fact that I lost $140. I don't whimper. The other mistake I made is I set the price difference. I set the price up here somewhere. I should have set it down here. Nah, it's just gonna sell off, isn't it? $60. Well, $60, that's a lesson in itself. It's two things. A, I'm getting my money back. But B, I missed out on this opportunity because I panicked. I was in a panicky mood to get my money back. I should have sold one part of my shares here. And the second part up here, I would have made more profit. I would have made maybe, $160 or something. Which is still pathetic, but still a lot better than $60. Okay, let's see if this thing keeps moving up. This potentially can go up to 3. Three's kind of close, though. Like these is just going to go up. And MACD is right again. And they got driven back down again by some big seller. That's the thing, yeah. Somebody's selling at 2.7. 2.75, 2.8. Okay, I don't think this thing's going to go anywhere. I don't think it's going to make it to $3. Yeah, exactly. Now everybody's selling off at 2.7, not just the big seller. General panic at 2.7, kaboom. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Anatomy of a Loser. Woohoo! Thanks again, much appreciated. Bye bye. On second thought, ladies and gentlemen, to reinforce the learning process, let's do this one more time, not from the beginning, but from where I entered. And instead of setting my price too high because I was greedy, I'll set it at a more appropriate place. And see how that determines how much of a difference that makes when it comes to profit. Okay, so your humble narrator has a carpal tunnel syndrome, so moving the mouse is not as easy as it ought to be. Okay, let's start from here and do it all over again. So 5 red candles in a row, you have a change in direction. But I don't enter the trade because it doesn't really... If it bounced off of here, I would think about it, but... Volume is still crazy low. Oh, I did notice that it went down, actually. Look at that. Look, oh, no wonder it's going back up again. Totally missed that move. That move happened so quickly, though, it's hard to take advantage of, actually, to be honest. But it is definitely worthwhile replaying these stocks. Okay, so waiting for it to go above the VWAP again. Oh, I know I missed it. I had the window too small. Okay, now I'm going to put my price here. For it to come up. It's not going anywhere. So I start to get worried. I hope not to lose money. Just recuperate some of my... Just avoid losses, basically. Volume is growing though, so I could potentially keep going. Okay, so instead of losing $140, I'm up $260. That puts me in a totally different frame of mind. So when the next move comes, instead of selling early, I can hold on to it for a bit longer. MACD is going, well, it was going green, now it's going red again. Okay, so that validates the sale. It's going to come back down again. I realize this necessitates a certain amount of patience, but it's worth it. Okay, so you get a pattern here. You got a pattern here. Sorry, a channel. Channel here. Potentially another equal opposite bottom of the channel here. I wanted it to stay above the VWAP. Double bottom maybe. Sell first there. Sell here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, if I'd made that first move properly, if I set my sell price at a non-greedy place, I would have made $740 on this stock instead of what I emerged with was what, 60 bucks? So mindset is very important. If you're confident, you can do all kinds of amazing things, and if you're worried, you tend to panic and sell too soon, or even take losses, which are avoidable. Anyway, thanks again. Much appreciated. See you next time.